Hello students, in the last class we have seen how to sketch a quadratic graph. So today we'll see um, another problem on the same topic, that is sketching the quadratic graph. So let me put a problem on the sketching of quadratic graph here. So this is a problem on sketching the quadratic graph that we will see today. Now just go through this question. You have to sketch the graph of the quadratic function fx is equal to x square plus 4x minus 2. Fx is equal to x square plus 4x minus 2. Now, to sketch the graph of a quadratic function, which things we have to determine? First the y-intercept, then the x-intercepts and the vertex. So first let us determine the y-intercept. So how do you determine the y-intercept? Yes, by putting x is equal to 0. So if you put x is equal to 0, now fx is y, so it will be 0 square plus 4 into 0 minus 2, which means the y-intercept is 0, negative 2. Then the second part is to determine the x-intercepts. So that we'll do by putting y is equal to 0, or that is fx is equal to 0. So we get x square plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. And as you can see here, the factorization is not possible. There are no factors of 2 such that difference is 4. So in this case, what you can do is you can use the quadratic formula. Now here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is negative 2. So the roots of this quadratic equation are given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus. Why plus or minus? Because obviously there are two roots. B square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that is negative 4 plus or minus root b square, that is 4 square minus 4, a is 1, c is negative 2 divided by 2a, that is 2 into 1, which is minus 4 plus or minus root 4 square is 16 plus 8 upon 2. So that is minus 4 plus or minus root 24 divided by 2. So just find its roots on the calculator. So you get x is equal to minus 4 plus root 24 divided by 2, whose value up till say 3 significant figures is 0.450, and the second root of x will be minus 4 minus root 24 divided by 2, and this value will come out to be to 3 significant figures negative 4.45, which means your one x-intercept will be, so x-intercepts one will be 0.450 and the second x-intercept will be negative 4.450. Now, the next step is you want to find out the vertex or the turning point of this graph. So, fx is equal to x square plus 4x minus 2. Now, we'll use the completing square method. So in this case, x square coefficient is 1. So take x square and 4x together. Now consider x coefficient divided by 2 and square this. This is the main step of completing square. So 4 divided by 2 and square it, which is 4. So you'll add 4 here, and to balance you'll subtract 4 outside. So the bracket has become a complete square. X square means write x here. Last term is 4, which is 2 square, and take the sign of the middle term. That means the bracket is perfect square of x plus 2 minus 6 here. So what will be the vertex of this graph? Vertex will be, since this is plus 2, right here negative 2. So h is negative 2 and k is minus 6. We are going to compare this with y is equal to x minus h the whole square plus k. So negative h is positive 2, that means h is negative 2 and k is negative 6. This is the vertex, and since x square coefficient is positive, this will be a minimum point of the graph. And the equation of the axis of symmetry of the graph will be x is equal to the x coordinate of the vertex, -2. So x is -2 is the equation of the axis of symmetry. So let us sketch this graph now. So I'll put the sketch here. So this is the sketch of the quadratic graph. Now, as you can see here, the x-intercepts on the positive side, this is A, which coordinates will be 0.450, B, the coordinates will be -450. Then the y-intercept here, the coordinates are 0, -2, and this C is the vertex here. The coordinates of the vertex are -2, -6, and this dotted line is the axis of symmetry, that is x is equal to -2. So whenever you sketch this, first determine the x-intercepts, sketch them on the coordinate system, xy system, then plot the vertex, plot the y-intercept, and draw a very smooth curve passing through all these points. So a free-handed curve that will pass through all these points here. And obviously this is your sketch, so it may not be exactly according to the scale, but this is how the graph should look. And a vertical line that will pass through the vertex will be the axis of symmetry, and in this case the equation of the axis of symmetry is x is equal to -2. Now purposely I have taken this question today because here the factorization is not possible. Then what to do? That I want to show you. So I will give you a question to do for the homework. Just take this question for the homework. So this is a very similar question that you will do for the homework. Okay. So in the next class, we will sketch some more graphs where the x square coefficient A is not 1. Then how to sketch it, I will show it to you. So see you in the next class, students. Try this problem. Enjoy the day ahead. Bye.